For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.
In a jungle alive with wonder, a small, brave creature hopped among the flowers. Radiant hues danced beneath a cerulean sky as dreams of friendship filled his heart. A loud roar echoed through the lush greenery. Startled critters scattered, eyes wide with fear of the great beast lounging below. A gentle soul felt the lion's solitude hidden behind a fierce facade. Undeterred, the courageous hopper tilted his head. What lay behind those fierce eyes? A heart, perhaps, longing for connection, masked by a gruff exterior. A hush fell over the jungle as the small figure approached the lion. Whispers of fear curled around him like the vines, but hope fueled his stride. Rejection stung, and the timid heart sank. Yet memories of warmth urged him onward. "I can help," he vowed, clutching the berry tightly. Stubborn pride weighed heavy like the thorns in a pained paw, but with each soft touch, compassion bloomed, unraveling barriers forged by fear. A flicker of understanding twinkled in the lion's eyes. Strength emerged from vulnerability. The power of friendship began to weave its gentle magic. Together, they conquered the shadows lingering in their hearts. Trust gradually built, like nests amidst the branches, nurturing the fragile bonds of friendship. As day ebbed into dusk, laughter filled the air. Unity rippled through the community, a tapestry woven with colors of connection, compassion, and courage. Together they gazed at the night sky, two hearts illuminated by the new bond. Stars whispered secrets of friendship, promising adventures yet to come. The once isolated lion roared not with fury but with mirth. A chorus of harmony rang through the trees as friendships flourished in the evening glow. Bright rays pierced the dawn, signaling a new beginning. Two souls, once lonely, now side by side, forging a community hand in paw, heart to heart.